Hey, my name is Omar and this is Tamago and Friends. Today, we're making some butter chicken. To get started, we're going to add some yogurt into a bowl. Then, season your yogurt with garam masala, cumin, chili powder, and paprika. Whisk together and then set aside. Take your chicken thighs and cut them into bite-sized pieces. The reason we're using chicken thighs is because while chicken breasts are naturally healthier than the chicken thighs absorb so much flavor. All that dark meat, that extra fat that comes from the chicken thighs is going to only serve to give us a better dish. And they just taste better. Once all your chicken thighs are in bite-sized pieces, toss them in the yogurt marinade and then fold them gently. Make sure every piece of your chicken thighs are coated in your yogurt marinade. Once it's coated, set inside your refrigerator for 30 minutes. Grab one onion, cut it in half, and julienne. Traditionally for butter chicken, you would cut your onions down into small pieces and fry them and blend them. However, for our purposes, I wanted more texture in our butter chicken. Set your onions aside and wait for the chicken to finish marinating. Go to your stove and warm up one of your pans to a medium heat. After your chicken is done marinating, take your chicken and place it inside of your pan. We are essentially cooking our chicken until it is almost done. You don't want it all the way done, but just almost done. The reason why is that we're going to add our chicken back into our sauce and it's going to finish inside of our sauce. Once your chicken is almost done, remove and place inside of a clean bowl. Using the residual oil and fat from the chicken that we had, place your onions inside of the same pan. Go ahead and saute those onions down for about 10 minutes. As your onions are cooking down, you can add some additional seasonings such as cumin, garam masala, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, and as always, salt and pepper your onions. After about 10 minutes of cooking your onions, you can add your tomatoes. Now what you see here is a pre-made tomato soup that I made a few days ago. I decided that it might be tastier to add this tomato soup in here since you're already making a tomato sauce. Let your tomato soup and onions cook down for a little bit. Taste it occasionally, make sure it's the spice level, the seasoning that you want for your butter chicken. After about 12 to 15 minutes of simmering, add your chicken back into the sauce. Let your chicken cook for about 7 to 8 minutes, making sure it's completely done. After those 12 minutes, make sure that your sauce is seasoned the way you want it to be seasoned. Now our soup already looks a little orangish because there was heavy cream inside of it already. You're going to add a little bit more, but I didn't add a huge amount to make any major changes. Also, if you want to see a quick recipe on how to make this tomato soup, leave us a comment down below and we'll show you how to make it. Stir your heavy cream inside and let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, add your butter, about 2 tablespoons. This is butter chicken, of course, so you're going to need some butter. Constantly stir your butter inside of your sauce. This makes sure it's fully incorporated and gets nice and smooth and silky, all those adjectives. Once everything is incorporated, plate and serve your butter chicken. If you like this video, as always, give us a like and comment down below. What do you want to see us make next? My name is Omar and this is Tamago and Friends. Thank you and have a great day. I forgot to format the memory card. No!